Hello and welcome to VSTACK HSTACK. My name's Jeff, I'm glad you're here. Let's just jump right in. By the end of this short video, you'll easily be able to stack data vertically and horizontally using two simple functions. Let's head straight to Excel. Exercise 1. Let's say we get separate exports for each quarter and we want to combine them. For example, we have an export with Q1 and another export for Q2. For simplicity, I put these on the same worksheet, but in practice, these would probably be on separate worksheets. And what we want to do is combine them. So instead of doing this manually with copy-paste, we can use a function equals VSTACK. This stands for vertical stack. Think of appending. So the first argument is the first array. That's just the range we want to start with. So here we're just going to select our data range, including the column headers, comma. And we want to stack that with what? Well, then we just select the second range. I'm going to leave out the column header since we already have it in the first range. Close function and enter. And as you can see, what we have left is these two ranges vertically stacked on top of each other. And this is a great way to combine data ranges when the column orders are the same and we really just want to append. But what if we actually want to append like sideways, like horizontally? Well, that takes us to the next exercise, exercise 2. So we also have HSTACK equals HSTACK. The first array or range is here. This includes the monthly values for the North region. And then comma. Array 2. Well, we already have the month column, so we don't need to select that. We'll just select the South values. Comma. And then we'll select the East values. Close function and enter. And now we've got it. Now, what if we want to create a total row? No worries. We can just select our values and we can use Alt equals. And that's going to automatically insert the sum function. Brilliant. If we wanted to, we could put the word total right there, and now it's all official. Also, if we wanted, we could select these columns, open up the Format Cells dialog, and pick your favorite cell format. And got it. Cool? All right, cool. Let's go to the next exercise, exercise 3. Now, in addition to stacking ranges, we can also stack arrays manually, meaning we can type the array into the function manually. So check it out, equals VSTACK. Now, the first thing I want to stack is the column labels. Since I don't have any column labels to point to, no worries, we'll just add them manually. The way we identify an array is with curly braces. So I'm going to use an open and close curly brace. Then we identify the array elements. These are the values. So the first one is going to be month, and I'm going to enclose that in quotes. That's just the text string. Comma. The next text string enclosed in quotes is the amount column label that I want. Close quotes. And then comma. So the first array isn't a cell range, it's this manually typed in array. And the second array is the values here in B6 to C9. Close function and enter. And as you can see, we injected this array manually just by typing it in. The key is you need to enclose it in curly braces. So the VSTACK and HSTACK functions let you stack arrays horizontally or vertically. And these are pretty cool when we are combining ranges within Excel. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Hey Excel user, if you ever need to create summary reports, check out my pivot table for beginners video. It starts at the beginning and shows how to store the data transactions in a table and then how to summarize those transactions with a pivot table report. I hope it helps unlock the incredible power of pivot tables.
This video is a production of Excel University.